Now these are the tools. These are the tools that you need. There's a grinder. And that's muriatic acid to the left. And just below the muriatic acid is our masks, protective masks. Passive masks, passive respirators to protect you from the dust that's going to come out when you grind on that natural rock with this grinder. You can buy those heads at mostly any department store in very, very rough, very hard equipment, very, very dangerous equipment as well. But this rock, natural rock, is very resistant to these kinds of things, and it's like using a buffer to buff a floor. It seems harsh, it seems very aggressive, yes, and even stains black. But that's only the first stage of the process. So we're gonna clean this now. We're gonna clean this wall now, and it's not gonna come out. It's gonna come out black. You're gonna see it very black and very ugly, and that's the first stage of the cleaning.